Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, action required, secure boot is disabled, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable secure boot on your computer. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Update, and then you're going to go into advanced options here, and then you're going to go into recovery. After that, you're going to click on to restart now right next to advanced startup, and then your computer will restart. And then you're going to go into troubleshoot, advanced options. After that, UEFI firmware settings, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to come here at the boot options, and then you're going to make sure you disable CSM support, and then press F10 or save and exit from the BIOS menu. And after that, you're going to restart your computer, and you'll go into the BIOS again with the method that I showed you. But this time, you're going to go into secure boot here, and then you're going to enable secure boot here, and then you're going to go at secure boot mode, and then you're going to make sure you set it to custom. And after that, you're going to click on restore factory keys and restore the factory keys, and then restart your computer. And after you're done with restoring the factory keys, now when you restart your computer, after saving and closing from the BIOS menu, open up your computer, open up the start menu, and you will write here MSInfo 32, and then you'll see that your secure boot state will be saying on like this. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to turn on secure boot on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.